open the doors wide to any form of wealth, you need to be able to rejoice in what you have. Trust in the future and invest emotionally in what is truly worthwhile, and you will get what you crave. Okay, so being grateful what you already got is gonna open this door. Let me read what would be the fulfillment when you're able to do that, because this is a current challenge for you in the Twinflame connection, that the door is locked. So what if it would be open with this? And let's aim for that. Stability and the end of the struggle are your rewards after so much effort. Affluence and pleasure are the treasure that you and those you love have earned. Learn how to maintain this paradise